Alright guys, let's talk about a penny stock that I think is the most oversold out of all of them. I don't do a lot of videos on these, but yeah, this one comes to my mind as GBH. Has decent volume. Actually has probably the most volume out of all the pennies I see right now. I mean, look at this, 236 million volume, 308 million volume, and then a whopping 625 million volume. You can look at the 15-minute chart, we had this, 22% move up in the towards the end of the day right in there. So you can see this thing can get going pretty fast, and you can see I'm right here in this pre-market. It was going up insane. I mean, when this thing goes just from this previous day to this was 133% return. So this is one on my radar. This is one of the highest valued penny stocks that is the most oversold. We dropped 44%, dropped another 74%, another 25%, another 13%, and then another 42%. Now, granted, it is less than 10 cents. It is going to do a reverse split. We know that's going to happen. It's a guarantee. It's a must for this to stay alive. So we know it's high risk. We know that the EMA 5 hasn't got hit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of those plays you get in and out. But what I do like to see is we are way below this lower Keltner channel. 5 days not touching this EMA 5. If we come back up to this EMA 5, you're looking at a 400% return. Monster return. And then the 10 is a 900%. We're not going to touch the 10 probably. I wouldn't do that. But the volume is what's getting my attention here. Monster volume. And then lastly, a 4.67. So how I look to trade this, I like to see a little lower K value. 4.67 is not bad. Maybe a 3. But this is definitely something that I can see pumping. I mean, like I said, just this after hours move from 6 cents to 8 cents. I mean, just from this drop here to this end was a 30% move up. I always tell people take those 10%, hold some break even, and scale it up as you go more and more. But these are kind of harder because at any moment it can drop big if they do that reverse split. I haven't really looked at the news here a lot. They did a 15 million in public offering to boost the logistics operations. That makes a whole lot of sense why that big move. But yeah, you guys asked me like if there's a penny that you would like to get in. Yeah, this is one of those pennies. I'm not gonna post this in the Discord, but this is definitely a stock that you can make pretty good money. Now, don't sleep on it. Have your take profit set automatically because you don't want to be eyeing this chart all the time. I always tell people when you get into some of these stocks, draw your 10%. Let's say you got in right here. Well, 10% would be right there at 750. Have some take profit right in there. Have some at the 20% mark. Have some at the 30. That way, if it pumps like this, you can get in. You get in and out fast, and you make that fast margin. Okay. We can look at that 1 minute chart here. I mean, look at that. If you blinked, you missed it. You only had a couple minutes to take that gain. But yeah, this is a very nice one. This is probably going to make a big, massive move. EMA 5 rejection and then maybe back down. Once this pumps to the EMA 5, you're done, guys. All right, that's a 400% return. A lot of times we see these reverse splits happen after the EMA 5. I made a video on HSDT. Same thing happened, right? Except this one isn't as oversold as that one because this one's not even at the Keltner channel. But guess what? We hit this EMA 5. They activate the reverse split. Happens all the time, guys. All the time. So this one is way under the Keltner channel. Quite a bit. It had a 42% drop with massive volume. 231 million volume. So this one's going to go up big. I mean, low K value. This is the penny stock here that we have 2 gaps here. So keep an eye on this one, guys. This is the #1 most oversold penny stock as of July 1st that I see with my system. And as always, never get in early, right? A lot of people get on these first big drops. They're like, oh, it's down 74%. It's down another 25%. Now another 13. Now another 42. Never get in on the first drop. Wait for that EMA 5 TD. That way you're not just catching a falling knife right away. I never like to buy these things when they pump. I want to get in when nobody wants it, and then it goes up. All right. So this is the stock I like. If you guys want to join the Discord and learn this system, learn how I trade. I go live every day in the Discord. I day trade futures. My swing trade alerts have been killing it. You guys are going to love it. Click the link in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe, hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. Super easy to do. It's only $12 a month for this promotional video. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. You guys are going to love it. You're going to be a part of the community. We have the day trade chat, the premium chat. We have the live streams every day going on, the day trading education, swing trading education. It's awesome for that low of a cost. And like I said, all of the alerts in the swing trade alerts have been printing money. We have yet to lose on a big cap stock in the past 2 years using this system of finding oversold bounces, oversold stocks with high potentials. All price action reverse to the EMAs, but we give it some time distance, low K value with lots of volume, and we'll see what this does. Keep your eye on this one, GVH. That one's probably going to go up pretty big. All right, guys. I'll see you in the Discord. $12 a month if you want to join. Do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. That's the best way to do it. Hit Day Trade Chat, and that'll get you in automatically, and you'll have a gold membership with a gold name. All right, guys. Let me know in the YouTube comments what you think, and give this video a like, subscribe, and share it out to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.